Yeah, nyalo sena nathi goes on what? Part 2. Ushido ukuthi music ne? Ekhaya ukhulitwe kwe music. Udi beyashaya igitari. Akune piano. Mobu esikoleni sujaha nethi kuvala piano ufuna kuvala le instruments everything nje lapho. Yeah, yangena bakunika bathi hayi no. Nawe zama uthi ayidanje
hayi ma-strings abuhlungu baqala and lama-strings lawa esitini
yaqinile
abasebenzisa leso sikhathi
yeah
ngasiko lawo plastic
yeah so but uthi ujwayele njani ne-music mawuthi analyze macocelese but why music to everything
into nje naye latalwa nayo
yeah calling nyana it's like calling yeah
ngoba wazi wakhona nokufunda
wayesikoleni wofunda
eUnisa
okay okanye kasini beyikhona eUnisa nakhona
tsali khona
eUnisa na
tsali khona
mina ngisiyanyana
katse umuntu ke bekane
music okay
abezalisha ngepiano
yena bekadila ngepiano
abezalisha ngegitar yeah
so labanye ngani were 5 of them ngani were 5
so ukuthi
sela labanye babhizinyana
yimi nalomncane
not laba lapha ekhaya ngani bebafika
labo angibathi nokubathi sasemncane
okay
ngibona nje ngifika kubhuti udlala computer wakhompyutha ngayo bara
bahlanganyela kakhulu ekhaya
bahlangana lapha ekhaya
that's good very unique
bekana ne-knowledge
okay
beta kutomuntu
yeah
so ngoba bengisasemncane bengingadi ukuthi ngobani vividly nje ngiyakhumbula lomunye labanye angibathi ukuthi baphelela kuyo kunjalo ke
uyirane for isikhathi ezinganani before wena songena nawe lapha kule
mina until mina reach 14 years yeah
sekhani nawo
sengiyabona kanti wathi nakaqala ngisemncane yangihlula ngoba wathi nangireacha 14 waphinza wangicala phansi wathi kuyangifundisa
wabida nguwe ngoba bekangibona
athi khona la endlini
ufuna lento iranela ifamily
kuyangifundisa angikhona nami sephela sengikhulile
yena leso sikhathi sohafa ngalo music
yawu besolabhisa bafuthi
yasaqala seka perform ezaweni
beyangathanda ukuperform bekuyinto bekayithanda
ngathanda ukuperform
beyangathanda ukuperform bekathi mina ngifuna ukufundisa labanye
phelele lapho
ngikakwati composer enda konke mara beyangafuni ukuperform bebeda la kuye batofunda
mina beka wena music awuphelele lo music manje ngalo test
wabe sebeyashona futhi
angakhiphanga
kata asathi nami sengicabanga ukurecord kwangikhona ngikhumbula amagama akhe asho ke bathi ngiyafuna ukurecord kodwa hayi ngcono kusale ukurecorda mina bafana bami nami ngisarecord kanti isho
yanivalelisa so wena nakuyakubita emnakethi kuyanto okufundisa nyalo sokhulile sekufundisa kuyibamba everything
long A minor long ngicala 14
uqala ukufundisa
ngicala ngegitar 15 years ngafunda 16 so uyangipheka 17 18 solo lesikhathi sesila
kanyamazana
isikhathi sesila
soyibamba kahle ngala
soyibamba kahle njalo sengiyafunda sengihlangana nemajida la elokushini boClement Bay bavela uyabona sesicala sokuyasifundzisa yabo sesihlangana nabobheki sokuyasifundzisa until this night until waze washona
yena until waze washona ushona sakanangaki
minyaka I was very young. late 40s.
Illness.
Yeah.
So ushona yena wena, so how far wena? So vuthiwe.
Ngisaphekeka nami.
So kushiya akacedzanga kuphela.
Akacedzi.
Shiya libhotetile.
Ushiya libhotetile. Nemnakelo ke lomncane wokugcina. Udlala ibhesi. Yena wamfaka kubhesi. Wasufuna udlala ibhesi wena.
Mana awungitshela la guitar kune bass futhi on its own.
La i-bass yodwa.
Khona la guitar.
No, kune bass guitar.
Oh, ne bass guitar.
Kune bass guitar ne lead guitar.
Nani?
Lead guitar.
Oh, lead guitar. Because ne bass bengicela ukushaya kulesikhulu. Yeah.
Lo kune bass guitar ne lead guitar.
Omnake ngifayela lapha
Wamfaka kubhesi.
Wena
Mina guitar.
Usenifundisanga ipiano lapha mayena sekahamba.
Besangiqalile. Le piano besaqalila ngikhomba.
Yeah.
Bara bekafuna kakhulu ngidlale le guitar.
Oh, okay. Kahle beka yena mhlambe uyafuna kubamba le piano. Lo wabambe le bass, lo wabambe le. Yeah.
Fortunately kwabese sijoyinwa ngibheki.
Okay.
Kwabese kuniwa yena le piano. Clement.
Lo lihlanisa naye. Oh, mina ngimathi ngimpita abantu nje umenyere wathi afuna nje is former keys. Oh, okay. Oh, ningase nihlangana khona.
Ngase sihlangana khona manje. Sokuba nguye ipiano, pianist.
Oh, yena bekayaphi piano?
Wafunda la eRome esontweni.
Oh, okay. Yasho ukuthi wafunda eRome.
Bese sokuba nenhlanhla yokuthola mina lengisho nako ngathi ngicela ngomgwaqo.
Ukuthola uphi?
Ngithola ngihleli ngaphandle.
Bude kasekho.
Usekhona.
Oh, usekhona. Oh,
siyasijoyina.
Oh, senifuma. Nami ngilaka lento le.
Lento. Kwaba ngiloko i-friendship yethu.
Okay.
Kwaba ngiloko. Yaqhubeka lento sakhula 1986 vele sasale siform band.
Okay. What's the name of the band?
Sasitibita ukuthi Sabela.
Sabela.
Yeah.
Why Sabela? Sabela babide Sabela. Babide Sabela. Sabela.
Sahlanganisa iband 86.
Nguwe.
Zero.
Okay.
Zero ku-bass.
Zero mlomnake.
Yeah. Clement piano. Lead guitar.
Yeah.
Ma-drums. Kwaba nguSemdlovu. Ukhona dlala abantu ucula uStimela.
Oh, okay. Usaphila?
Ukhona.
La Kanyamazana?
Kanyamazana.
Hayi,
Kanyamazana iStimela manje.
Tabo. Siyaya phambili.
Waba nguye eTifutshini.
Okay.
Sazamazama ke ukuhlanganisa neSabela.
Ni-5.
Say 4.
Ni-4.
Yeah. That was 86.
Yeah. Mnake lapha kasekho. Kasi informal group.
Uhambe 87. Asabuka ukuthi bafana
beta.
Already wena.
Don't say it was a manager, by the way. Manager, teacher, everything.
Yeah, asafuna ukuthi aqhubeka sithengele
sure, equipment.
engcono. Then unfortunately washiya 87.
Oh, yena bekasebenza phakathi.
Yeah, bekasebenza.
Oh.
Basebenza.
Ayi kwaba kuhlungu because le vision boyibona.
Siyibona.
Yeah, bensayibona ukuthi
kodwa sathi angeke ife. Vision. Sayibamba.
Yeah.
Njengoba sibamba today.
Oh, so likhona.
So likhona le vision.
So kuhamba kwakhe azange create division qala before.
No. Wow, wasenda saba strong kakhulu.
Aba strong kakhulu, ne?
Ngoba
ihlanganisa
nasekho so
sabilenzi siqhubeke
naye washo ukuthi Jensen singahlukani.
Yeah.
Makamaka.
So lo ne4.
Yeah, washo singahlukani.
Yeah.
Sazama kwaze sajoyina nangilabanye. Understand? Sajoyina nangilabanye amajaha.
Yeah.
Sayikhulisa leyo saqala 80s. Ikhona lokubitwa ukuthi transcription records.
Okay.
Sawenda uStan Radio Swazi.
Okay.
Ukip building.
Okay.
Saqala khona ukubona ukuthi hawo sikho yasithatha iRadio Swazi esifaka istudio.
Yeah.
Performa ukurekhoda vele ukuthi ngoba bathi dlala ukuba nelihlelo njalo on Thursday.
Yeah.
Ibitwa ukuthi siyeda phethe umuntu lethi bama Dinzisi Mason
Okay.
Tidlala emoyeni bacala nabantu baba aware sometime bekithi inyanga basithathe siye ko-recorda eSilverton ePretoria
Okay.
nase-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Yeah.
Kudlalwa leti ngoma
Yeah.
kulayethu ngacala ndibona khona ukuthi hawu
Nendo ngaye. Ngiyende.
usenda phela
Sengicalile nani composer ingoma.
sicalile ngento esidlala
Yeah. So ngibani lo nithi manje le producer yethu.
so besithi
Oh,
produce
producer.
yeah besifundile ukuthi once wawathi composer arrange
Yeah.
then produce
Phelele.
konke so nisaqala lapho ke kwenta nama transcription songs
Yes.
sawenda adlalwa sakazweni
Yeah.
bayadlala special lapha ku
Radio.
radio Swazi yeah njenga onke ama radio stations bayakwenda
Yeah. Yeah.
onke ku radio Zulu bakwenda
Yeah. Yeah.
so ngila sabona khona ukuthi
In the end.
we can do this
Why not?
saqhubeka until bo 1990 so siqhubeka ke band
So Stimela sifome kanjani because ne member yeStimela le phuma ngala kini seyestimeleni. Sifome kanjani Stimela?
isitimela leso sikhathi besigoli
Yeah.
naye bekasemncane
Yeah.
bebasengamthathi
Yeah.
yeah
Naye ngala kini.
asinaye ngala
Sengathi ukuthi bamphika kanjani bona.
bambona ngahamba kwesikhathi besesenta ama-projects
Yeah.
khumbula sikhona i-project esayenda ibitwa ukuthi Seasons beyilidwa nguye
Oh, okay.
composer yeah ye-Seasons
Yeah.
so i-touch yakhe
Beyikho.
ngala kusitimela
Yeah. Yeah.
so bajithe isitimela sheshe
I'm recognized.
am-recognize ngoba besike siperforme naso isitimela
Oh,
kuma-festival
okay. Ngoba repeat.
yeah
Yeah.
siperforme nabo
Yeah.
so bambona lo mfana ukuthi
Une potential.
potential
Yeah. Yeah.
so yindlela yabena waba attached kakhulu isitimela
Yeah. Not nina bani.
no phela kuba khona individual ayibona
Libonwa.
yeah because it was composing and singing
Okay.
yabo sebabona ukuthi no we can
Work with him.
work with him
Yeah.
wahamba njalo till today
So hey siya sekukhumba le group seyaqala kuchinja nje. Sekuthatha loyiwani.
ayibanga nankinga ngoba saba nayo le drumist
Oh, and sing at the same time.
from Pretoria
Yeah.
aqhamuka ePitori
Yeah.
wafika wamfaka understand
But they sing naye.
No,
Maybe it was a drumist.
He was a good drumist.
Yeah. Yeah.
Salokhu siphusha senda ama-project.
Yeah. Yeah.
Senda ama-project akuqhuma leso sikhathi sam already phela samekho vele
Yeah. Yeah.
asabhizi ama-project akhe naye
Yeah.
lamanye
Stimen.
no akhe
Oh, okay.
before I
Okay. Okay.
bekusathi bonakalisile lapho ukuthi him lo
So, lento le ibangelwa yini kanti ukuthi sisonke siphusha sonke sebese lo munye uthi ubona different kuvela wonke umuntu sebese seyaphuma yena funa ukutendela kwakhe ayiwa.
usually ukuthi sonke we come from different backgrounds in
Yes.
life
Yes.
khona lo muntu uba ne-vision yakhe
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah. Athi mina lento le ngayirana ngiyi-one without those people.
Yeah. You see,
But baqale kokurecognize ngabo bonke labantu.
abona njengami nasisaqala recorder mina ngaba ne-vision yokucula ngeSiswati
Oh, okay.
understand
Yeah. Wayiphusha mara lezo.
banginika i-freedom
Yeah.
platform bajida ngathi mina ngifuna kucula ngeSiswati
Yeah. Yeah.
Swati
Ngaphandle
ngaphandle kokuthi besingekho Swati ngesikhathi ulwimi lami ngathi bona ukuthi ngathi expressa ngcono lenye other language nasihleli sikhompoza ama-songs mina bengikhompoza ngeSiswati majida enda i-Afrofusion.
Okay.
So we were doing two projects
Okay, at the same time.
since 1986.
Yeah.
Then the Aisugnam ukuthi ngizengicule iSiswati.
Yeah.
Since 1986.
Yeah.
I've been 72 projects.
Yes.
Njalo till today.
Mm.
Majida solo nabo till today. Iwona lawo
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
ubheki nabo nabo
Yeah.
washona kuphela emhlabeni wodramini.
Okay.
Solo ngithi so savumelana ukuthi wena do Swati
Yeah.
sine do Afrojet.
Okay.
Sayiqala lapho ke sabambisana team today. Lethi lo wahamba ke naye waqhubeka wakhe ama projects.
So senibona lapha mabona kude. So sene stimela.
So the stimela manje.
Sensi.
We are so proud.
Yeah, ne?
We are so proud of him. We are so proud.
But my interview, yeah, akakhuluma interview because my interview kuna mina ngichamela mphumana.
Uyasho.
Noma forward vile sicala sisonke le.
We are what now we are called. So we are proud of each other.
Yeah.
Manje we contact each other.
Yeah. Still usejoza.
Ukhona.
La mphumana?
Yeah.
La likazi?
Ukhona.
Ayi for real? Ngifisa kummeet. Yeah.
Ukhona.
So phela naye funa nkosi ngale so vule iminyaka leminye ngale. And nani ngifuna nivule?
Kunjalo.
Nina njani? Because ngifuna nivulele leminye iminyango nani ngale. Ngithi ngifike la naye sekakhona khona.
Majida vele kunjalo asitana.
Yeah.
Lo vule emnyango wakhe zabafaka lapha.
Yeah, ndaba balenzele.
So nathi space.
Yeah.
Nathi space kakhulu noma recording.
So your first performance, guys, leyabe ikhulu. Isukela before my radio station. Okay, noma ngabe yakhona radio station, but sengikhona ukuthi say in front of the audience.
Yeah. If our first performance yaba 1990 or 89.
Yeah.
Lapho sasiku festival.
Yeah.
And that's great.
Yeah.
DJ Powers.
Okay.
Yvonne Chaka with Brenda Fassie.
Oh.
A very big festival.
Yeah.
My promoters were as far away as
Yeah.
Yeah. Kahle akubanga kanye.
Okay.
Siperform so many
Times.
I've lost count.
Yeah.
The festival is performing. And I'm a big dance person. Waze wafika isikhathi sabo Oliver performa nabo stage asitibela ngathi how many times go Witbank Dam kuphi Standard Tone nabo Ringo, so I've lost count.
So ngifuna ukukhuluma about the first time banifaka kuwela ina first time first day. Akulale performance ye-trip ngabona umntwana omncane we-trip nakalanda day what excited ugcina la lebhasi.
We're so excited.
Yeah.
Wafuthi
mawunemntu wakho emtshela ngiyongibona ethi umbona kude waphefoma nabobani nale bekakuchomela ngimtshela ukuthi tongibona lo ayibethuza
lo thina besingasanawo lo
ne
besikuthemba
nayibona le nto ukuthi yeka
ukuthi besine-sound
yeah different
yeah. That's why besisingene estage wona lama-roadman alamanye bantu basonza batosibuka besithatha ngaphisana. That's why besine-confidence besingaqili sizodlana abanye.
So i-group leyi-one that day leyi yafisa kuperforma nani yafisa ukuthi ihlale nibona yiphi
Abasitimela kuvela siperforma nayo, so sishare stage.
Yeah.
Music festival eBushbuck Ridge.
Yeah.
So 1993.
Oh, lapho sembuya sahambile.
Akhona.
Anani?
Anathi.
Oh. But no, nento leniyilewo cishe nifola ngala kithi.
Ngicabanga sishare stage.
Yeah.
It was mad time.
It was another day.
It was yabona sishare stage.
So sithi kancane lapho ne?
Siphinde sihlangane. Akhona ama-song lesike sahlangana. I-song yeah. Cula Coyote.
Yeah.
Our song.
Yeah.
Stage. So we was recognized.
So but ngani before noqala ba request ukuthi funa babe nani. Funa no practice ngani.
abazange
100
bahlangana stage
Oh, just like that.
just like that
Before what the music win, nani beni what the music wabo lo muntu.
kube thina lapho music ucishe uyafana
Yeah.
so abanganankinga nathi
So lapho so ucedzile isikolo and everything.
isikolo ngicethe 82
Usucedzile isikolo.
yeah
So ukuthi angibo university angibo ufundela music lento leya like ani.
ukube ngaleso sikhathi bengiright ngemali
Yeah.
ngabe ngayeva futhi
Ufundela university.
yeah so because we had to makhaya sifana
Anifani ya.
kufanele nawe ubone ukuthi lesofika kwisigaba esithile
Yeah.
nawe utry ukuthi usebenza
Yes.
uphushe
Yes.
yeah kono
Yeah. Ngifuna ngize ngibutele lokho. Leso sikhathi sonemndeni wakho.
noma ngabe
Kazi.
intwana semfana
Bayasho ukuthi ngale cast yabostimela ama performance abostimela. Bathi benishiya mani bantwana.
sathi thina we never did that siyeva besikufa thina besingekho that game
Bathi bahamba boya ngala. Kushiya mntwana. Bahamba boya ngala. Yeah.
siyeva ukuthi bekwendela
Ne.
thina
Been focused with music.
singekho leyo game sinebantu bethu
Nibandini mara bengahambi nabo ngane. Phela ngane nzawo phela sesikhathi nalumuyeli usho. He's going to fall into you phela.
Singasiyo leyo nhlobo nakhi nje oboniso i-2 today we're still together
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu wasihlanganisa saba naleli ngqondo
Yeah.
noma lo sowahamba lo wayedlala
Yeah,
ama-drums
But khona nomyeni wamvali.
ya besisi satha noma ngubani simnike i-station
Yeah.
ngoba already sasahamba
Oh, okay.
mara the 3 of us till today solusikhona yithi lo solusibona
Namnakeni usakhona?
ukhona doing this
Yeah, no, ngifisa ngimbone yena.
nasithi nje siya-festival suke kungisoyi-3
Nguwe.
umbhengu nami sesifaka labanye
Okay.
kade wena ama-session
Yeah, ama-session.
thina solo sikhona ama-original
Ma-original.
naqala
Yaqala lena. First performance sekuna niwele ama-toll gate kumbe niwele mabhola. Gauteng. Mbito ngibani? Stimela.
no ma-promoters
Promoters.
ya basithenga
Yeah.
sahamba so-perform
Yeah.
sibuye
Yeah. Away from ekhaya for maybe for a weekend job.
yeah usually kuba yi-weekend
Yeah. Yeah.
unless makungabe ikhona i-project lesiyoyenza ejoziqala ya lapho we took a week
Oh, okay.
but if kungasiyi-project
Cool.
sihamba nge-weekend sibuye
So, ni-influencer yini because labanye bathi we heard rumors allegedly ukuthi more the first was into drugs and everything because ngelanga mhlawumbe ufuna ube number 10 magigi and you won't be original from the gig yokuqala until the gig is 5 is 10 exhausted ukuthi kanti kusasa the very same thing yini beniyenda ukuthi
angibelieve kuloko
oh well
ukuba exhausted
yeah
uma umuntu atingenela kuma-drugs bamfaka kusuke atendela yena not ukuthi ngoba u-exhausted
yeah
thina we've never been into drugs
yeah
asiwathi nokuthi akheri noma yena sikazi
so magigi yenu la abangelilanga leli 1 abamaningi abayingaki
ngikhumbula 2
yeah so that's why because labanye njengisho lo muntu bakutshela bomake ukubrela fast ubesha more than 10 kumbe 5 per day
into loyendako le yakho you don't become exhausted
or you can't be the same
no
Ukuthi
vele
le-gig yokuqala
ungazungena kuma-drugs
yeah ngoba sinani bathi akwenda ube
angikwazi
yeah ngisho ukuthi ma-hearsay
sifa njalo
yeah sibe nje ukuthi yeah akwenda ube ne
bangazi bayafakana
Yeah.
wavuma ufile bathi akuphumele kufana nale nyawo
Yeah, everything lethi ukuthi ungangena ukuthi ngathi bazawusakhona
kule line leyo asikazi
i-record ma-record company kude la approach
ma-record company sakhula singawafuni
why
bese sathi nge-exploitation yama-record companies. That's why sibe independent no scratch till today.
Yena kusama-record company
you sign your soul njengobona namhla
nawe uyabhilivela kulokho
ngikubonile
mina ngicatha into yenyelo
better ukuthi ube independent
but akusilula
you have to push
akusilula buka njengana ngithi if mhlawumbe nathengisa le soli nje kwanisho ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabengisekutheni ngabekisa ngaba niseko between the two and uma ukhona ungayithengisanga isoli yakho udonsa amadini
but
isoli uphila ma uyithengisile isikhashana unemali isikhashana everything fame
uyafinisha baphi
yini nesema isoli yakho mhlawumbe abantu abaningi badokhona kuyi-understand
lokuthi ufike lapha ulekedwe i-contract uyisayine 5 years bakunike ekhaya felisha imoto bathi nayi i-album sifuna uthengise le-album
sifuna uwende i-album
uyithengise i-album kube kuhle ibuye yes-2 so udla kamnandi mara kahle kahle lo akusinguwe wabo soul wabo so kufika isikhathi la ngathi into zithamba kabi soqala question
sengilapha kulo 5 years soqala kuhlakanipha
ungafiki la 5 soqala kuhlakanipha soqala question
la so inkinga khona
sebakubuka konke kwabo so sala uhlupheka
so uphuma njani lapho kulento leyo yokuseka isoli yakho uma usunderstand
uzongena kukhona
because mhlambe 1.5 year soqala kuquestiona sebamuka bonke lo so na 3.5 year ukuthi ufuna uphumele kwi-contract yakho because wonke lo music lobo solo wena imali yalapha kubo wena sowabile sowubuyela but if music wakho solapha ema-radio station uthi uya-questioning everything
wabo usebenzela bona uyabasebenzela uze ufe
hayi ukuthi after the 5 years iyaphela le
ingaphela iyophela wena sowuyini
3.5 years
lokuqala phansi lo sikhathi
blacklistil because baphethe onke namakhampani onke
loyo
yaphethe
ngacalilete i-contract soldier so being independent ukuthi ubani struggle being an independent kunefuneka ukhuthale being an independent wathi ukuthi ukurejistwa neminyango le neyisambu lena ikhapaso lena isambu lena yini ukwati everything ukuthi uyasebenza njalo kungcono kakhulu being independent lokuthi uyothengisa
uyayithengisa because abantu abanye bathengisile sibabonile abanye bafika buhlungu
bagcina bangena kuma-drug
because akasakhona ukukhupha ngani akasakhona ukukhupha because ungenile and most of the time ungena artist good creative and ngeke uzawona mali nawo ufuna bazi bakhona ukuthi ngibona sibani ngibona zabe so because usayinela kiyo ngibona sibani you understand and now uyayibona le ndiyendeko and labantu they don't tell you the honest truth because if you know the truth angeke vele usayine and enye into umuntu utshela ukuthi no 5 years is nothing to wena ngidlula umthetho namsenzana ngithi man we had big stars like Michael Jackson but they expose them and they expose in media and people they never take them serious that time but Michael Jackson was long time ago we expose them in media and those people they have power with le message kayikhulumayo senesho ukuthi ingafiki social media let's say kuba yabo bathi bamdestroy
they make it sure ukuthi ayifike and bam-destroy. Understand?
So those people kahle bayi ma evil spirits whatsoever kwenzekala mina because angikhona understand because mina ngimi whatsoever company ngisayinisa i-contract those mina kahle I'm evil nyana.
Asho la
yeah
wona ngibo bosathana
kahle ya bakulele nabo bajoyiniswa njalo
njalo bangobosathana bemali bafuna imali ibiye kuphela using bantwana balabanye abantu
and vele uma soyuza lo muntu for imali vele umsathana
we are evil
and most of the time ungakhuluma vele ngayo lento leya benginokulalela those artists asephesheya uzobakhuluma ngawo kwestory tabo ya benginokufikela ama-nightmares ebusuku yeah like ukuthi this thing is secret that's why bathi nema-secret society into lomafunakala utati lithi deep so wena uma usuqala ti-reliever letinto leto vele kutoku-attack-a ngendlela takhona nini ngibone lenye iklipnyana lethe kulona Tupac ukuthi kunema-underground you have what is underground music bathi la ngaphasi bakhe ama-tunnel bakhe indlu bakhe la ngaphasi komhlaba bakhe ama-tunnel bantu baphile la ngaphasi that's the reason yalo bathi state I forgot the name ukuthi bayaklona they make between of you wena udisappear the original but ngani basi nala is alleged Mandela he was a clone of Asikhona lento because I believe in everything lekhulunywa ngayo yaphila I believe in it. Yeah ukuthi yeah kuba ne-clone because the original person akusasinguye angeke kube ne-proof vele unless ukuthi wena kile kwenteka kuwe sebese nakhona noma uma ufika angeke uvakale kulabanye abantu because they will shut you down. Anifuni ukuba nemali anifuni kusela amasolweni hayi ndawuhlala lelikazi ndidlale ngethelevishini ndawuhlala lelikazi ndidlale music
selling your soul. I've funded all my projects
with your own sense. Bayasho simtanga mtakaba bathi that guy this last cent usebenzisa yona
okay my project
yeah usitshela bathi ngamane
where I am
bathi ngicela ukuthi ngamane ungadli but you have to le one day yeah you believe in you believe of whatever you in there you do in there
toilet ngikuvela ekuhlanyeleni
yeah
ngathi ndovuna and masinyane sizokusebenza kancane
yeah and then le ngithi imvuno ngani libamoshakala yabo akusinto tongo lothivuna tibeka into emoshakala ngene tilwane tatidla imvula yamosha and everything you understand which one and something teacher mthambi gain 8 yeah it's better than nothing but if you give up then you
understand
yeah so ngifuna sikhutsa de yudenyana ngilalela lenye actor itolo lenye podcast lithi about selling the soul ukuthi uyafike industry ngithola abantu bakhona push it for 4 years 5 years push it strong you understand and then after the 4 years 5 years then you suck it down so bakutshela ukuthi hayi wena if you wanna learn you need to sign through this contract through this thing you understand and so nema bills lama yelo create le unnecessary you understand bantu sebakwati njengale art vele ya lo muntu lo namafilimi ya lo top and the very also it's a very so because when I maintain the lifestyle
feel
because even yabona ne-relationship kuyinothisa kahle ngathi 3 years yaqala nje siyantshintsha sifuna kubona ukuthi igcoco liyahlala
Hlala.
so nalakule industry ngathi is the very same thing.
Yeah, it's the very same thing.
Because kunabantwana nyalo labalunako sekuduma lokho bathi ma-influencer.
I see.
Yeah, kumele nje ma-influencer akasi creative umuntu ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi akayanga esikoleni. Understand? Uvela ubona ukuthi social media ngamendela yeah, and it is danile lelo licale ka scratch and sabathatha umsebenzi abantu abane profession.
Ngese.
Kufana nale nto ukuthi babe mbo DJ namantombazane bagcoka half naked mara uyavula music leyo ndlela ukuthi akakhona ukumixa kahle akanayo professionality
So wakhe futhi.
Se yakuthiwa
Uqala nje.
lebeni batana ukuthi eJozi ngala club ukuthi mangwana music or ungaproduce awuthi to DJ yakho you don't want to.
Isn't it?
Yeah, ungena music wakho.
Ilogo na wakho.
Yeah, wakho ukuthi uqale nawo bawusona music kanzi bakubikela kulo ngiziba kahle but akusikahle because you know people begela skolo bawo ma-influence bawo ma-DJs and they make money.
They make money.
Yeah, they make money because uvathi ngisayine i-contract zeni and labanye nje sinokubabili ukuthi no asende i-podcast but I know ini konje i-company yama ngivile yabona so limited
Vele. So kune-boundary.
So,
Uqale.
in closing ngifuna sikhuthaze anyone itolalela lelona umzala mncane kakhulu tuke youth kakhulu tuke youth because baningi ama-artists akhona but you don't believe in yourself. You believe there's someone who's going to push with you to sign a certain contract with everything. Ngifuna sikhuthaze labo bantu.
Yeah, it's so difficult kakhulu. Just like myself, njengoba ngisho.
Yeah.
Angazi believe ukuthi ufuna kuphusha.
Yeah.
Nabo ngabakhuthaza ukuthi believe in yourself.
Yes.
Believe leyo senti nyalo oyitholile.
Yes.
Ufunze ku-invest. Mina I've invested.
Yes.
Ma-recordings ami. Ngathi nangibhizi ukuthumela amademo kumakhampani.
Yeah.
Right, Stopita.
Yeah.
We'll call you, must have previous cards, because the music laws will record. And that's it. Let me invest.
Yeah.
I better 100 rand. I better 20 rand. Yazi yafika imali yami yahlangana ukuthi manje I can go to the studio. Nabo ngiyabakhuthaza.
Yeah.
Just as long as you believe in yourself, what to say the investment ibalulekile.
Yeah.
Beka kancane.
No matter
Nomethe omncane utshele ukuthi lena ayisiye cold drink.
Yeah.
Lena ayisiye tshwala.
Yeah. Siyemadata.
Lena ayisiyani ya.
Yeah.
Uphokophela ukuthi awana ufeze iphupho lami because kude kude ukuphusha emhlabeni. Rather than uhambe uyosayina to my evil spirits. Ngento njalo mina I've invested in myself.
Yeah.
I've got 5 singers.
Okay. Did khona
Akhona
my streams and everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
I've invested.
Yeah, that's
In
one.
the EP nami.
Yeah.
Angicela ngabini. Ngayibeka le mali. Kancane kancane. Inganalutho. But I've made it today.
Yeah.
Ngize video.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Now I've been doing the video futhi. My songs abakhona onke ma-digital platforms.
Yeah. Ungena njani ama-digital platforms?
How do you register music?
Yeah. So there's a certain amount ebhadalayo.
There's a certain amount nakhona. There's nothing for my invest back ukuthi I want to do this.
Yes.
Uyahlanyela nje kwamshini.
Yeah. Uvuna lengena.
Nami njalo sengibizele ukuvuna.
Buthi nina wathi uvuna one day.
Sengiyathi ukuthi nini.
Okay.
Yabona. I know the period manje
Yeah.
ukuthi this is the period manje.
Yeah.
Yokuvuna.
Yeah.
So the period is now. So ngiyabakhuthaza nami. Say guys, elani ukhala. khala kwahlula imbuzi
Ascending.
taking your soul
Yeah.
to the devil.
Eish. Leyo it's another one. So now unazo studio sakho.
So kwamanje ngisebenzisa kuphela any studio
In the studio.
manje.
Because my studio station basibabhadalisa. Now usuyabhadala ama studio station.
I think
So there's nothing for my
there's nothing for mahala. So khona label esengene i-friendship now.
now, yeah.
I understand
Yeah.
now. Ngistamhle bathi kanti utalini. Yabona, so
Yeah.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Angisaspend much manje
Okay.
in recording.
Yeah. Akusafani
Kusafana
ngesikhathi
kuqala
usafika.
basenganana.
Yeah. Yeah.
But-
But you keep something.
Mara kona njengathi basaphi ukuthi kunama-legends.
Yeah.
Ngingazi.
Yeah.
Bathi manje velani be mase okungcono manje a little amount ngiyakhona ukuthi before kwenza this song
Yeah.
thatha lo
Yeah. Yeah.
then sivumelane.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, so nabo ngithi ngiyabakhuthaza
Yeah.
ukuthi bakhohlwe nge-devil,
Yeah.
invest in yourself.
Kahle kahle. So kusitimela nyalo kusele bangaki?
Kwanyalo I'm not sure
Not sure.
ukuthi whether
But abasaperform ne?
baperform ukhona Sam.
Oh.
So lead singer njalo Sam.
Oh. Okay.
So I'd like to talk to him yena malangana.
Yeah. Yeah.
Samthini.
Yeah, please share ngicela nami
Nawe
ngiphe appointment
ube
na.
naye,
Yeah, kuningi.
Angajabula
Yeah,
naye.
yeah, I think that. Now
Udokotela.
support is a local thing and they
It's a
support.
local-
Yeah.
Uphethe a very big project.
Ne,
A very big project.
ngiyayipusha yona.
Estimate.
Oh, ngiyafuna kuyipusha nyalo.
Upusha
Oh, but
estimate
oh, okay, yeah.
Kule
Oh, yeah,
project
the project
entsha
yeah, ngiyayipusha.
lephumile. So then unemsebenzi omkhulu.
Yeah, please ngicela ngitshele ukuthi ngiyamthini.
Ngamthini.
Yeah, ngithenga kakhulu. So your stage name ngibani?
Ujinga.
Jinga.
Ujinga.
Yeka. Jinga siyeka ne? Jinga lady.
Mina ngegama ngethiwa nje.
Yeah.
Ikhona indoda lethanda umculo yathi lenye langa hayi manje ngizothola ukuthi aligama lento fanele music wakho
Yeah, yeah.
ngase lithi ngase ngifuna ube ngujinga
Yeah. Uqhamuka awukambudanga.
ngiqhamuka kuye
Ngizuze wena zange umbuzo why this way?
uthi leli lifanela lento lo
Lena.
yena sound
Awadi uzilichaza kuthini?
ujinga phela ngiyeke
Yekele yeah.
kahle
Yeah.
isixhosa
Yeah.
ngiyeke
Yeah.
so yena ulithethe nje walithanda
Ngiyayithanda.
wathi ngifuna ube ngujinga.
Okay. So wena busebenzisa liphi before uthi?
Bekusipho
Oh, see. Or using your original name.
ngicabe ngisebenzisa Sipho Manubane
Okay.
lokishini bangathi no-scream
A screamer. Or
scream
like shout yeah. Meme.
memeda uthi yena hayi mina ngifuna ukusebenzisa ila-scream in your music
Yeah.
because you don't scream
Yeah. That's it.
ndakupha ligama
Jindaba.
wathi ngifuna ube njinga.
So if abantu bafuna ukubhuka, abantu bafuna ukulandzela music wakho kuma platforms bakuthola njani?
Lapha ngifunako ukuthi nje lapha kuma-digital platforms nje Jinda SA
Yeah. Oh, Jinda SA.
uthi Jinda SA
Yeah.
siyangithola bathi nje Jinda SA
Nguwe.
uyangithola konke kuma-digital platforms.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then i-email yami screamajinda one word.
Oh, screaming in the one day.
Yeah, screamajinda 2027, that's my stand number
Oh, okay.
@gmail.com.
Oh, okay. So if bafuna ukubhuka,
For bookings inamba yami 082 762 9014. 082 762 9014.
yeah.
Uyangithola lapho esijinda.
Yeah. Sivala sithini.
It's South Africa.
Yeah.
Ngikhona kanti ngivele ngikhona
Yeah.
nami support yenu ngiyayidinga kakhulu
Yeah.
iphakamise
Yeah.
nami ngiyalo iphakamise
Kahle kahle.
so ngaphandle kwenu guys
Yeah.
I'm nothing.
Yeah.
Ngibonge wena namuhla
No, mina ngibonga mina.
nami ngiyabonga ukuthi
Yeah.
namhla
Generation.
lento ngibongela
phela i-legends lesisi nomuntu onemali i-legends ilwazi
mina ngibona wena namuhla mntongiveta
Yeah.
baningi abantu ongibona
baningi abantu okubona ya
because of you
because ya nami ngibonga ilwadi awucethi ukulithola awucethi ya ma umuntu osmart ulalela kakhulu khulume kancane.
yeah that's true
yeah so nami kulalela akungizima so that's the reason ngihlala sengilalela nami ema-platforms nami la ngizama ukukhula ngakhona yeah it's just ukuthi mina lo ngiyibonga ukuthi awuzama ukuthi lo mfana ngamrekhoda ngefoni I understand utheni lento yaselokishini le
ngesikhathi
nginikile isikhathi
kule viki
ngipha lo mfana isikhathi konke inesikhathi sakhona because nesikhathi sisibhekela konke inesikhathi sakhona if you believe in that anything is possible ngibonge kakhulu ngani imali ezethu sofa imhlanganise nawo siphushele umsebenzi wabo siphushele lesindaba yakhe because one day so when a student is cool now when a student sakho nami when a student some podcast and everything sikhumbule ngena ngabe sihlala lapha sinathe manje goes on what is sponsoring manje yes you understand yeah I know say bad sharp